In the past, landowners would have been able to take as long as they want to comply with abatement notices to clean their overgrown lots. But that will no longer be the case. From November 1st, they will have 21 days to comply with the notices issued by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Project Officer of the Operational Plan to Address Overgrown Vegetation on Housing Lots, Ronald Chapman, says if the property is not cleaned within the specified 3 weeks, the landowner will get an administrative penalty of $300. And they will also have to pay an additional $10 for every day or part thereof the land remains overgrown.
Within this program, to ensure that we get the property cleaned, those lots are then handed over to the Ministry of Environment, where the NCC will go ahead and clean the lots. Once those lots have been cleaned, then we verify, and the bill is sent to the person who owns the lots.
The new plan also prioritizes which lots will be cleaned first.
So the lots which we recognize as either a health risk, a significant health risk, or a security risk will be those lots we try to deal with it quickly.
Landowners issued with a notice have the right to apply to a relief board if they have financial or physical constraints or may need extra time to get the lots cleaned because of weather conditions. Touted as a cleanup campaign, the plan is a collaboration between the Ministry of Health and Wellness and the Ministry of Environment, National Beautification, and the Blue and Green Economy. Minister of Environment and National Beautification, Adrian Ford, says the plan will also target state-owned properties.
This is not a do as I say and not as I do government. I just want Barbadians and every single person in listening scope of my voice to understand one of the most important things is that government must pass the litmus test to every single person as it relates to their properties.
And Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Davidson Ishmael, says these plans are being implemented at this stage to reduce vector-borne diseases.
Because a lot of these persons find their way where? At the hospital, at the A&E, when their symptoms become very harsh. So, and then what happens there is that when they are receiving care, it then creates in some cases, a bottleneck in the system, which then can affect other persons who are coming in for other cases as well.
The plan operationalizes the Health Services Regulations 2024 as it relates to overgrown vegetation on housing lots. It sets out a 3-week public sensitization campaign starting this week. Anesta Henry, CBC News.